Hey guys, so I am on my way down to Nephi to go hunt the bull unit down there. Kevin is still trying to fix the tire that we popped last night, so I am taking the Jeep down and yeah, come along. So it is at the end of Monday, day 3 of the elk hunt. I didn't see anything tonight, but that's okay. It was kind of last minute to get out here. But I don't know what's up with being sick during the elk hunt. I got sick last Monday after I took a drink of Tracer's Dutch Bro, caramel, pumpkin, something or another drink. And I've been sick ever since. I really thought I was getting over it. But hiking that 600 yards to the top of that saddle, my throat hurts really bad. And I still feel it in my chest. But both me and Kevin got strep throat really bad on my limited entry bull tag down in LaSalle down by Moab. Ended up taking a 6-point down there, and it took us 9.5 hours to take him half a mile to the truck because neither one of us could breathe, let alone hike up a hill. And once we got that all done, needless to say, there was a road downhill about 200 yards from where my bull went down. So that would have made it a whole lot easier because I would have just had Kevin make the way to the bull. But it is what it is. So hopefully I can kick this cold in the butt and be back out here and get me a bow. I really want to get one with my bow. So we'll see what happens next year. I don't think I'll deer hunt next year. I think I'll just do archery elk and spend the time going after an elk. If you have ever gotten any bull tag and actually gotten a bull, comment below what you got. Let's see who's all gotten a bull. I don't want to know where you got it. I just want to know what you got. Thanks for watching. Tune in for the rest of the elk hunt. Bye. So I told you guys that Mama Kitty had her babies. So she is in the back of a 3-drawer filing cabinet in my scrapbook room. She has 2 babies. Let's see. Let's see if you guys can see that. Not very good.